Okay, this will be just a quick how-to once you're in a Zoom meeting, just looking at your sound and video options. So the Zoom meeting is started. I would suggest when you first jump in to mute yourself. So that's just right here. And hopefully you could see that red line there showing that you were muted. That way, when we have 20 people plus on a Zoom meeting, we're not hearing everybody's background noise and all of that. Also with video, so right now you see that you can see me and what I'm doing. If you don't have video or you need to step away or something, you easily can just click the stop video button. And now you just see my image that I have set up within Zoom. If you don't have an image, no big deal. We'll just see your name. And then the other important thing would be here is the chat. So if you think of a question in the middle of the meeting, you can just type it here and see that I'm typing to everybody. So then, hopefully somebody can make sure that it gets addressed by whoever is presenting. So that's the, really simple, how do I make things work? So the biggest thing I think to remember is muting yourself so we don't have 20 people going at one time, and then the chat if you do have questions. So hopefully this helps, and let me know if you have any other questions.